Valentine's Day, love is in the air. Everyone can catch your eye, but you require that someone special to steal your heart. Valentine's Day is all about flowers, cards, hearts, and different kind of articles. So why not start with the flowers? Let's see what this fellow has to tell us about flowers. Here we have Injamul, and he's going to tell us what kind of flowers were on sale. Usually people opt for roses, lilies, and that too the color is only red on Valentine's Day. Of course you can gift your friends, your parents, your family members and anybody, but then the color is red. इंजामिन मुल्ला, आप बताइए कौन कौन से फ्लावर्स अभी तक सेल हो गए हैं?
ज़्यादा रोजेस सेल हुआ।
क्या हुआ?
गुलाब।
गुलाब का सेल हो गया। लिलीज, ये लिलीज इधर पिंक लिलीज रखे हैं, उनको कोई नहीं लेके जाता।
कोई नहीं लेके जा रहा है लिली, अन्य रोजेस लेके गया।
Valentine's Day is very special and dear to the romantic couples. Of course, it is also celebrated with the family members and friends. But it is more cherished by the lovers. It is also the day of gifts. Here are some of the gifts you can choose to present your beloved. Have a look.
We have Sneha here, and let's see what she has shopped for Valentine's this time. Sneha, tell me, what have you bought so far?
I just bought a short mini dress and I'm planning of buying a t-shirt and a top.
Okay, is the dress red color?
Yeah.
Okay, micro mini meaning short, very short.
yeah,
Okay, what are your plans for Valentine's?
Nothing. I'm gonna celebrate my Valentine with my cousins and plus my friends. That's it.
spent with those who you love. Here is something for all the lovers who would like to choose. This is a beautiful card with a pendant. You know what it says? It says, you are the one who makes hopes worth sharing, dreams worth daring, risk worth taking, plans worth making, life worth living, and love worth giving. So, in return, here's promising you everything that makes you feel loved. With video journalist Omkar Falari, I'm Greta Menezes for Prudent Media.
Valentine's Day is a day for everyone, and Prudent Media is a family like no other. This special day was celebrated in great style with exciting games, treasure hunts, and
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's to everyone here in Goa.
Happy Valentine's Day to all my friends.
All the girls I've ever been with, and I love you all. Okay, happy Valentine's Day.
This message goes out to my mom and my dad. I hope they are watching the television right now. Just want to say I love you a lot and I'm really grateful that you are in my life.
I'd like to wish all my friends a very happy Valentine's Day.
To all the viewers of Prudent, happy Valentine's Day from Andrew and Down.
Valentine's Day is a day, it's not only for couples, it's also for your friends, family, relatives and everyone. So, म्हाका दिसता अशें दिसना की व्हॅलेंटायन दिसा डेटूच वचपाची अशी कांय ना. आतां आमी कशी फ्रेंड्स सगळीं जाणां बरोबर आसा तशेंच व्हॅलेंटायन डे एकूच दीस अशें नसता, सदांच आसता, पूण हो दीस असो खास आसा की आपले जे व्यू आसा ते सगळे भायर सरता.